respected, very, very dear elder spiritual brother and Nobel laureate, Archbishop Tutu. Since you retired, the few occasions where Nobel laureate gathered, I always feel some wonderful person missing. Or, in other words, mischievous, my mischievous brother missing. So now, I'm very, very eager to see you personally. So I'm very, very looking forward. Now this is the one opportunity to meet you. But however, now it is, I just wait till day before yesterday. But then, this is no clear sign. This is my representative in Delhi. They approach the mission, African mission there. The last day, even you see no answer like that. So then I felt, oh, this is clearly the sign. This is your government feel very inconvenient. So therefore, now I cancel this my visit. I'm quite sad. And also this time, I very much sort of hoping see Nelson Mandela, now very old. So now I doubt whether I will have another occasion meeting Nelson Mandela or not. But I think you, Tutu, my brother, I think although 80 years, because of your spirit, and you always stand very firmly the moral principle. You always carry a message of love, compassion, peace, non-violence. So you are truly a man of God. So therefore, I think I believe you will remain another few more years. So I am hoping see you when opportunity may come. Now this special occasion, one significant sort of occasion, that is your 80th birthday. So with this scarf and my folded sort of hand, I want to express my greetings and expression of your happy birthday. So eventually I will send this scarf through some way. So then, unfortunately, it is quite rare on this planet, such like you, who really carry hope. So now, I usually describe our generation is the generation of 20th century. So our century now already gone. We are almost ready to say bye-bye. Now, like you, I think certain, the impact on this new century, 21st century, which I always telling and hoping this century should be century of peace, century of dialogue, century of more compassion, century of a more human way. So you are one of the, I think, important person who really showing proper way, right way, from your own previous experience. So please take care your health, and I will pray both God as well as Buddha, your long life and healthy body, and your affectionate activities will carry continuously. So this is my hope. Thank you very much.